friends, how are you? So today we have the questions based on the population, and this question is based on the topic of geometric progression. Okay, so we have the first information on the question, then we will solve the question based on some data. Okay, so we have the information on the question. The population of a town is P in the beginning of any year, and then it becomes 3 plus 2 in the beginning of next year. And we have the question that population in the beginning of 2019 is 1000. Then we have to find the population in the beginning of 2034, and we have the given option A, B, C, D. So we have to proceed to how to solve the question. Okay, so I am rubbing the question so that we can start with the solution. Okay, so first we will find out the pattern, how population data forming a pattern, then we will proceed the question. Okay, so initially what was the population? Initial population is, we can write, is P. Okay, yeah. So after 1 year population is 3 plus 2P. Okay, this is given in the question. Okay, now what will be the population after 2 years? Okay, it will be 3 plus 2. Now population is 3 plus 2P, not P. Okay, so we will substitute here 3 plus 2P and we will solve it. 3 plus 2 into 3, okay, plus 2 into 2 square into P. Okay, now after 3 years, population will become again 3 plus 2P. Now what is the value of P? This one will be the value of P for this year. So 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 2 square P. Now we will again solve it. So this is 3 plus 2 into 3, 2 into 2, this is 2 square into 3, and this is 2 cube into P. Okay, so this is the population after 3 years. Okay, so can we find the pattern in the population, in the data of population? Here population is P, then 3 plus 2P, then 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 2 square P. Now see here and compare these two. So this is 3, 2 into 3, then 2 square into 3, then 2 cube into P. Okay, and we can calculate one more so that it will be clear. After 4 years, what will be the population? 3 plus 2. Now this is a value of population now. So 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 2 square into 3 plus 2 cube into P. Okay, so it will be 3 plus 2 into 3, 2 square into 3, 2 cube into 3, and 2 to the power 4 into P. So now the pattern is clear. What is the pattern? After 4 year population, it is 3 plus 2 into 3, 2 square into 3, 2 cube into 3, and 2 to the power 4 into P. Similarly, if we find after 10 year, what will be the population? 3 plus 2 into 3, 2 square into 3, 2 cube into 3, 2 to the power 4 into P, and in the last 2 to the power 10 into P, if we want to find the population after 10 years. Okay, now initially what was the year given? Now we have the given year 2019. This is our initial year. Okay, now what we can do, after we have to find the population in 2034. So how much year? We have 2034 minus 2019. This is 15 years. Okay, so we have to find the population after 15 years. So I am rubbing this data, and initial population we have 1000. It was given in the question, and we have to find the population in 2034. Okay, now I am going to write the population in 2034. For 2034, it is after 15 years. Okay, got it? Where we get the 15 from here. Okay, now so population is forming this pattern, so we can write population in 2034, it will be 3 plus 2 into 3, 2 to the, it is 2 to the power 1 we can write, so 2 square into 3 and so on. This will comes out to be 2 to the power 14 into 3 plus 2 to the power 15 into p. Okay, after 15 years, so here it will comes to be 15. Here after 4 years, it is 2 to the power 4 into p. So after 15 years, it will be 2 to the power 15 into p, and it will be 2 to the power 14 into 3. Okay. Now what we will do? So we have determined the pattern. Okay. Now what to do? We have to sum this. Okay. How to do sum? First we will see this part. Okay. We can take common 3 from this part, and inside we got 2 plus 2 square and so on till 2 to the power 14 plus 2 to the power 15p. Okay, now you see here is from one term to next term the 2 is multiplied. Okay, here from one this to this 2 again 2 is multiplied. Okay, so this is forming a GP whose first term we can write here, whose first term of GP is 1 and common ratio which we will say R, it is 2. So how to do sum of the GP? We have the formula sum of the GP of n terms. A here first term is A into R to the power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. Okay, so we will substitute the formula. Okay, so A is our 1 and n is the number of terms. How many terms we have here? And from 1, this is 14 terms plus 1 this term, so this is 15 terms. So we can write 2 to the power 15 minus 1 upon R minus 1. What is R? R is 2 plus 2 to the power 15. This is a separate question. Okay, so this is 2 to the power 15p. Now so 2 to the power 15 minus 1 plus 2 to the power 15 p. Here 2 minus 1 become 1, so we are not writing 1 here. Okay, now we will multiply inside 2 into 2 to the power 15 minus 3 plus 2 to the power 15 p. Okay, now there is a common in this. This is what is the common part? 2 to the power 15. So we will take common 2 to the power 15, and inside there is 3 plus p and minus 3 same it is. Okay, now we will substitute the value of p, which is 3 plus p. Here p is 1000 minus 3, so we will proceed here. Okay, so 1000 plus 3, it is 1003 into 2 to the power 15 minus 3. Okay, so this is the population in 2015. Okay, we have substituted the value of p also, population in 2034. Okay, so this is how we'll get the answer. So what concept we have used here? We have used the concept of geometric progression, sum of geometric progression, and first we found the pattern, then sum of geometric progression, then finally calculation, and in the last we have substituted the value of p, then we will got the population in 2034. Okay, dear student, so hope this will answer your question. Thank you.